So the last thing I'm going to add is my coriander because I don't like it too much cooked. So hi guys, so today I'm going to do a video which is a cooking video, and it's going to be Kenyan style matoke. Matoke are green bananas, and I'm going to do that the Kenyan way or the Kenyan style. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ingredients that I'll be using, and they're just simple. And yeah, so these are my green bananas that I'll be using. I bought them like 2 days ago, that's why they look like this, but I don't mind because getting matoke, the real matoke abroad, is not easy. Some people end up using the plantain ones, but this is what I use. Then I have this red onion. I love red onions because of the flavor. Then I have the potatoes. I'm not going to use all of that. Then, okay, let's go ahead. Then I've got some cooking oil, some spices, salt, pepper. I'm going to use this ginger garlic paste, which is mixed together. Some salt, some spicy paprika powder, pepper, cumin seeds, curry powder. Then I'm going to use beef for the recipe. Then I have some corianders here. Yeah, I also bought this like 1 or 2 days ago. That's why they're looking like this, but they still have flavor in them. Then I've got this ripe 4 pieces of tomatoes. I'm going to use all of that. Then I have red, green and red paprika, and I'm not going to use all of that. So yeah, that's what I'll be using. Before I start peeling the matoke, I'm going to oil my hands. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to show you guys 2 ways of peeling matoke. I'm back after 20 minutes of peeling and cutting and all that stuff. I'm done. Super hot. So I'm going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'm going to add in the onions. So I'm going to add in the cumin seeds. got all that deliciousness. So I'm going to go ahead and stir that up. Stir up, stir up, stir up. So the last thing I'm going to add is my coriander, because I don't like it too much cooked. So there we go. That smells so good, guys. Yum, 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 yum. I can't wait to eat this, guys. Oh my god. This looks so yummy. The food is done. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this, guys. So that's the food, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and serve the food for my husband. So he does not like so that's hubby's food. And this is going to be mine. I'm going to go ahead and try this food. Sizzling hot.